up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I wanted to thank everybody again for coming back and watching this week's well, I posted a couple this week, but thanks for watching them anyways. This truck we're going to do in this video is a 2021 Silverado 1500, getting the 9-inch McGaughys lift kit, 26x14s and 35s. Enjoy the video. I didn't really do much when the truck was stock for you to see. I got one little clip of it, but you'll see the before and after throughout the video. And again, thanks for coming back again and watching this week. My other videos this week are doing really good, so wouldn't be possible without you, so I really appreciate it.
Man out here. You're all good to do. Goddamn gas. Jeez. I'm so goddamn top.
All right, so I got to know something about this. Seems to be a big division in the game for black wheels versus chrome wheels. If this was a build that I had sold, I probably would have told him to do chrome wheels or polished wheels just because the bumper in the front. But a lot of people like the way black looks better. I go back and forth with it myself, and as you know, everybody knows I have polished wheels on my vehicle. But how's the black wheel looking on the black truck with the chrome bumpers? Let me know in the comments. This truck is in and out today. Got here this morning, finished this afternoon. Right now it might be 3-4 o'clock in the afternoon and we're done. He went with a 9-inch McGaughys lift kit. Bet you haven't ever seen that on my videos. We do a lot of these. Best out of the box lift kit, chrome accents, gloss black, looks beautiful. They put a really nice looking strut in the kit that eliminates the need for a coilover or a strut spacer. It has 3 adjustments on it. If you can see right here, you can set it at 7, 8, or 9 inches. This one is set at 9. In the rear of these trucks, whenever you do the 9-inch option, because it is a 7 to 9-inch lift kit, you have to add the drive shaft spacer that you see right here. It allows the drive shaft to sit in the factory location and not pull it out of the rear of the transmission area there. Also, you can add, they have leaf packs that come in the kit that go right there, the leaf packs do, that are supposed to bring it up to 9 inches. We have found that it doesn't level the truck as good as it's supposed to. So what we do is we take the add-a-leaf from the previous body style on McGaughys right here, and we put it in between the leaves of the truck, and it gives you the full 9 inches in the rear. It makes the truck sit perfectly level. Some people like the squat, but 9 out of 10 customers want the truck to be perfectly level. This customer brought us some Arkon wheels. I'd say which wheel it is, but I know I'd get it wrong. Arkon's a nice wheel, nice warranty. The Venom Power tires, I feel a certain way about those. I'd rather you put a Fury tire on your vehicle. Although these are price good and load rated good and they look good, there are vibrations that sometimes come from the Venom Power tires. So if I can't sell you something that's gonna ride really smooth, most likely I wouldn't want to sell it. So that's why I usually push you toward the Furies. I have better luck out of those. Wanted to also thank you guys for watching. I always forget to do that, and I really do appreciate every view counts and every new subscriber counts, so I really appreciate that. One more thing I wanted to point out about this truck that's pretty cool to me is this is a Z71, which means that this truck is either an LS or an LT. I'm assuming it's going to be an LT with a 6.2 in it. Very, very rare to see that. Most of these trucks come with a 5.3 up until the high country, where the 6.2 is just about every truck. So another thing to think about on this one. Turns out very, very nice though. This package looks good on the truck. The customer will be super happy. Like I said, in and out in one day. If you have any questions or you want to price a build like this, shoot me a call. My number is 678-994-9180. Ask for Jake. Thank you.